Struggling to figure out what to do with your uninvested cash, or where to keep your emergency fund in today's high-rate environment? That was me about a year ago, until I figured out how to integrate M1's high-yield cash account into my overall financial strategy. If you're already using M1 for investing, this account can be a crucial piece of your automated wealth-building machine. I'm going to walk you through the 3 best strategies I use to maximize my cash and seamlessly blend it with my investments. 1. The emergency fund anchor. The first and most important strategy is treating the M1 high-yield cash account as the anchor for my emergency fund. Historically, people just park their emergency cash in a low-interest checking or savings account. I know I did, but with M1's competitive APY, that money is actively working for you. An emergency fund is meant to be safe and accessible, and with M1's high FDIC insurance coverage through their partner banks, it covers both those bases. I keep my full 3 to 6 months of living expenses here. The money is liquid and the interest is a nice bonus that helps offset inflation, keeping my safety net strong. 2. Automate to invest with smart transfers. This is where the M1 platform truly shines and where I see people missing out the most. The second strategy is using M1 smart transfers to automate my cash flow from the high-yield cash account right into my investment pies. I set a minimum cash balance I always want in my high-yield account. This is my safety cushion beyond the emergency fund. Then, I set a smart transfer rule. Any money that comes in and exceeds that target balance is automatically swept into my brokerage account to be invested in my pies. This means any excess cash, like an unexpected bonus or even the monthly interest from the high-yield account itself, is immediately put to work. It's dollar cost averaging on autopilot, removing the temptation to let cash sit on the sidelines. The key is to set it and forget it. 3. The short-term goal staging ground. My final strategy focuses on using the high-yield cash account for any large, short-term savings goals. This is money I know I'll need in the next 1 to 3 years, making the stock market too risky for it. Think of things like a down payment for a car, a big vacation, or saving up for next year's maximum IRA contribution. These funds need growth without the volatility. By keeping this cash separate from my core investments, I can earn a solid yield with no market risk. I'll even create a specific savings goal on my tracking spreadsheet to delineate this cash from my emergency fund, even though it all sits in the same high-yield account. It's a clean, capital-preserved way to grow money for a defined purpose. In short, my cash strategy with M1 is a 3-part system. Emergency fund, safety and yield for the unexpected. Excess cash, automated transfer to my investment pies. Short-term goals, low-risk growth for planned expenses. By using the high-yield cash account as the hub for all my non-invested money, I've created a structure that is both secure and continuously optimized. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.